Okay, Dave Taylor here from Dave Taylor Miniatures. Just a quick video to show you the base that I received last night from Alex at Ironheart Artisans. Quite excited, so I'll show you how it all goes together. This is the first part. It's a half-inch piece of birch plywood. Nice size. I think this is about 19 inches by 13. So we have that. Other sections that we have, you'll see this line that Alex has etched in around the edge. Just a little bit out of, let's have that line, oops, right that way. We have this piece is the next layer, first layer that goes down. Top of that, this next layer fits just inside that line. There we go. Oops, again, around the wrong way. Get this right eventually. It's not as difficult as I'm making it look. There we go. And finally, this piece here. Each of these thin layers is 2.5 millimeters, so I've got 7.5 millimeters depth. This edge here, the top edge, is 7.5 millimeters in from the edge of the birch plywood, so I can create a nice 45-degree angle out around there, just filling in with some wood putty, sanding that down. So that's really cool. Very excited about that. Here we have the weight of the Warlord Titan pushing the Chimera down into the base. One thing I realized, and I spoke to Alex about, was that the little toe cutouts that I had at the side here weren't necessary, so we were able to nix those. So this leg sitting here, and we have this foot just up and down here. Okay, nice and set in. When I put that in last night, I thought, do I want it that deep? I'm going to have some putty built up and around it, some putty down in the crevices. So what I can do, if I want to, is, oops, I'll get this right in a second. There we go. Slot this in. Make sure all these are lined up. So I can actually put this in down on that bottom layer. So this hole will just be 5 millimeters deep. May not seem like a big difference, but I think in the end it'll work out that way. There we go. Put this back over. It's laying up roughly for the moment. Foot in, foot in. I hope this is still in shot, but there we go. Tighten, all ready to dance. Okay, well thanks for bearing with me. Very excited. Next up, we'll get these, get everything glued down, filled with putty, sanded. We'll get these glued down. This foot will be screwed down through the center here. Nice big long screw to make sure that isn't going to move anywhere. So I could probably put a nice big long screw up through the center here, but I'll need to be pretty accurate where I end up with that point. There we go. Okay, thanks very much.